the next award is Alter, Harvey Alter. Please remove your shoes. No, I'm serious. You have to remove your shoes. Who started this? The judge. That's the best. Did you take a picture of that? So, only because you remove your shoes like him. So, you have a surprise here. We have established a new award, Alter International Biomedicine and Public Health Award.
Thank you.
In developing and applying new scientific biomedical and public health standards. Congratulations, congratulations. This will be given every year. Let's see who is the winner. The winner is Frank Slack. After. Take the whole body, huh? The whole body, without shoes. And the shoes, you have to take a picture of the shoes. This is a standard judge standard. Please, congratulations, you can say a few words. This is the judge standard. We should have invited her earlier.
Well, thank you very much. Those are very big shoes to fill. I'm not going to be taking mine off. But thank you very much. It's wonderful to be here. Thank you for the honor. I just want to say a shout out to all of the people that have trained me along the way. I'm grateful for all of the great advice that I've had, the great training, and I wish everybody a great conference. Bye-bye.
Congratulations.